Install a receptacle where you need it, then add another outlet box later with Arlington's non-metallic outlet boxes with threaded openings. UV-rated FS8161-T installs a receptacle where you need it on a wall in horizontal or vertical orientation. Threaded openings allow for the installation of additional outlet boxes at a later time. Convenient and versatile, FS8161-T is designed for flat surfaces, but there's an adapter plate that converts this outlet box for use on any kind of siding. To install it, pull the wire and attach the FS8161-T to a flat surface. For installation on siding, select the box with the appropriate adapter and install. Install the receptacle. Caulk is required. Then, when you're ready, use the threaded openings to add another outlet box or fixture. That's the paintable outlet box with threaded openings from Arlington.